Hey guys, look what we have here. We have Dr. Alan Wong. Dr. Wong, tell us what's going on in the event of this year.
Well, great. Thank you, Dr. Nguyen. Today is Silicon Valley Healthy Smiles, working in partnership with Healing California. And right here is the prosthodontic area where we make removable appliances for people to restore their smile and dignity. So patients have been lined up and waiting all day. And so when they're here, we check them out, make sure everything's okay, take x-rays if necessary, and we make them, we call partials, filler partials to restore their teeth.
Okay.
And some patients are without teeth for a while, and some patients need some teeth taken out and new partials made. So over there we triage them, and then we come over to this side here where we take impressions. And then we have a crew of lab technicians to my left here, working very diligently to make custom fit appliances.
Okay.
And restore smiles, restore dignity, and making healthy smiles all over.
Amazing. Would you walk with me and show me what's going on? Give me 1 second so I can turn this to a different type of